Hello kids, in this video we are going to see the phonics sound for alphabet yes and also spelling for word squirrel. Yeah, let's go. S S S S S S for squirrel. 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 SQUIRREL squirrel. Yes, SQUIRREL squirrel. SQUIRREL squirrel. S for squirrel. SQUIRREL squirrel. S for squirrel. SQUIRREL squirrel. S for squirrel. Thanks to watch kids. Hit the like button and do subscribe for more drawings. Thank you. Bye bye.